Hello everyone, this is Not from KraftWork and I'd like to show you a small preview and tutorial of my Tuscany 1969 set coming for the arcade on March 1st. This set, I have the gacha key here to show you. This set has rare cars, a few of them. Actually, the rare one is drivable, the rare two is the core only, and a few components that go with the car and other components that work in any decor situation. And I'd like to show you how the auto move feature works. It's pretty simple. It's basically when you get the rare number 2, which is the car, and you res, this is a core one only, and the core one only comes with the move feature, which means some of the items are going to auto move into position when you res, and that would be the rack, cloth, and cushions. So the only thing you have to do is res, and you see it came into place. Another item that has the auto move feature is the front seat cozy blankets. So you can see here. A third item that has the same feature is the lunette table. So I res here, but it actually moved here. See? And the last item that has the auto move is the ladder. So let's rise the ladder. So here's a ladder. And then all these items, they come with animations. So for example, the ladder has 2 reading animations and I'm including notebooks for both. Let me add the notebook so you can see. And there is also a notebook for the pose number 2. These top cushions, they have animations for solo, friends, which would be the bento male and female together when 2 avatars can sit, and also cuddles. Then on the back, the front seat, you will have some animations for one person only. Animations are tricky. Every avatar has a different size, so you probably always have to adjust a little bit. So this is it, pretty much the auto move system. So when you res one of these 4 complements of the car and you don't see, it's because they went and moved into place. Another thing that is important to know is that if you rotate any of these items and take back to your inventory, it's going to come back in the same rotation angle that you took it. So if you want these items to properly attach to the car, you have to go back and move to the original angle. I can show you with the stair, for example. So let's say I moved the stair because I want it in another place, another part of my house or my garden, and then I'm going to take it to my inventory because it's no copies, a gacha. And when I res it back, it's going to attach, but it's going to attach on that angle. So the only thing that you have to do is just come and rotate again to the even angle related to the car, relative to the car. That's it. If you have any doubts, you can send me an IM and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.